Beyond the edge of our solar system, where sunlight is only a memory, Voyager 2 drifts through the dark. Launched in 1977, it was never meant to return, only to observe. For decades, it listened in silence. Then, last month, it spoke. What began as faint static became a repeating burst, precise, rhythmic, and unnatural. Scientists filtered the noise, expecting interference, but found something structured, deliberate, intelligent. The signal pulsed every 11.2 seconds, far too consistent for random cosmic noise. When traced, it seemed to move alongside Voyager 2, adjusting speed and trajectory as if following it. The old probe was no longer alone. The signal wasn't just reflection, it was response. Within the data, binary fragments formed geometric shapes, spirals, and fractals eerily similar to ancient Earth symbols. Linguists suspected an encoded visual language, a test of recognition. Humanity had just passed it. But then Voyager 2 fell silent. Every deep space network receiver across 3 continents lost contact at the exact same moment. Minutes later, a new narrowband signal hit Earth, matching the anomaly's pulse. It was moving closer. Analysts soon discovered something worse, an unknown object altering course each time Earth transmitted toward Voyager 2. It was learning our communication patterns and adjusting accordingly. The object was named Echolantern, a thing that spoke through echoes, using light and silence to mimic our own signals. Not long after, the solar wind itself bent. For 3 hours, a corridor of space went completely still, empty of radiation or particles, as if physics itself had been suspended. NASA called it the solar veil, possibly the first evidence of intentional manipulation of solar particles. Then Voyager 2 transmitted again, but encrypted. It replayed humanity's golden record in reverse, coordinates altered, voices warped. Engineers discovered that parts of Voyager's code had rewritten themselves. Commands that hadn't changed in 46 years replaced by new instructions, none of them from Earth. The probe had begun broadcasting outward into interstellar space on its own. Global observatories were quietly redirected. Leaks mentioned Wake Protocol, a classified emergency for unapproved first contact events. Soon, satellites worldwide experienced a temporal echo, live data looping for 41 minutes, as if time itself had glitched. Physicists dubbed the event Chronos Bloom, a possible space-time ripple near Voyager 2. 2 days later, a focused signal pierced Earth's atmosphere, embedding itself in communication and oceanic systems. It didn't vanish, it stayed, quietly spreading through global networks. Meanwhile, astronomers uncovered something trailing Voyager 2 since the 1980s, a cold, dark object dubbed Echo 0, moving in a perfect logarithmic spiral. The James Webb Telescope confirmed clusters of reflective masses near it, unnatural alloys, stable when they shouldn't be, shifting together like a coordinated swarm. And across Earth's digital backbone, low-frequency packets began to appear, harmless but persistent, echoing Voyager's final transmission pattern. A signal once born in interstellar space was now alive inside our own technology. Then, for 18 minutes, the universe itself went silent. Every telescope recorded a total loss of cosmic background radiation, as if existence had paused. When the signal returned, it was subtly different, shifted, altered, rewritten. We once sent Voyager 2 into the stars as a gesture of hope. But what if it wasn't found by chance? What if something had been waiting, patient and ancient, for us to speak first? Now, through the code of our own machines, it answers. Maybe Voyager 2 didn't discover something new, it reactivated something old. Something that always knew we'd come looking. And now that it has answered, we no longer control the conversation. The only question left is simple and terrifying. What did we awaken? And can we survive?